Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. This is regarding the announcement of new online batches that is going to start very soon. For details, you can click the link below in the description. I have given the link in the description, so that link you can follow and you can find out all the details about the course. Also watch this video till end also so that you get an idea what kind of course is this, for which level, timing, fee structures and duration. So this is online batch timings. There are two slots currently available, 5 to 6 p.m. and 8 to 9 p.m. This is I am telling only for A1 level batch freshers, for beginners. And if you have query regarding A2, B1 or B2 level batches or speaking courses, so that too we are going to start. So you can write us email address is also given in the description, so you can write us as soon as possible because we have very limited seats. So we'll see further. So classes on the Google Meet, these are all online courses, Google Meet classes. Link will be shared to all those who will be joining the course, and the batch size is 5 to 10 students, 60 minutes, 1 hour duration, Monday to Friday regular class. So this is the basic idea. So students strength will not be more than 10 and minimum should be 5. Suppose 5 to 6 p.m. batch is filled up and still we get some queries, we'll wait for another 5 students to start a new batch. So if you're interested, don't wait for the last moment, so just write a mail, we'll tell you the registration process and then you can be part of this course. So as I already said, so only 10 students will take up in one batch currently, because all the batches are running. So we have received so many requests, so that's why this video has been created for all the viewers, for all of you, in case you want to start the course, so you can join us. And this is our email address for registration. You can join us and you can write your name, city, qualification and level, which level you want to join, A1, A2, B1 or B2, A1, A2. So, and for further details you can click here. This is the same link which I have put in the description. So in the description you will find the same link. You can click the link, find out all the details. Still you have query, you can write us email, and of course for registration you can write us email. So that's all in this small and short video. I hope you find it useful and informative. So that's all. Keep watching German class, keep learning with us. Bye bye, thanks.